Hey everyone, it's Ben from Blue Marlin Marketing again. And today I'm going to be bringing you guys a new AI tool that we've been using recently to really help us with like all our chat GPT or like other AIs. Like you can use this kind of thing for really any open or for any like large language model. It's like ChatGPT, any of those versions, Claude, Perplexity, anything like that. We just use ChatGPT, so that's why I have that. So all that this actually allows us to do is create much more detailed and in-depth prompts with actual like better prompting practices and techniques to make it so that when you feed these prompts to ChatGPT, you can actually get closer to what you actually intended, or to actually train your like current ChatGPT chat to act as a certain like either job or person or some sort of like that, and also to give them like what tasks they will be working on, that kind of thing, like your chat gpt like agent, but we'll just be using it in a normal chat instead of like going to create an agent, that kind of thing. So the application is called Prompt Hackers. I already actually have it opened here, and you can use this completely for free. I've done it a lot of times. I haven't run into any like tokens or prompt or like issues. So you can use it completely for free. You can like log in with Google as well if you want to like save these kind of things. But actually how this works. So before I go ahead and actually create a new one, I'm just going to show you guys, if we just go over to prompts, there's actually a bunch of like pre-made ones that you can use, and they're all like much better than if you were to like try and figure out exactly what to write yourself into ChatGPT, that kind of thing. So let's just say we went to um, okay, brand manager, we'll build this. So here's like an actual prompt that's been created already for this kind of thing. So you're an expert in branding and brand equality, equity, sorry. Specializing in brand positioning. You have helped many companies before me to create and manage their brand identity. Your task is now to develop a brand identity from scratch to better understand what I want and need. You should always answer by including a question that helps you better understand the context and my needs. Did you understand? And what all we would do is literally copy this and go feed this to ChatGPT. And since you've already like used it, it will have some knowledge base from like your previous conversations with it if you don't like erase your history, that kind of thing. So that's one way to do it. But also, if we want to actually go and figure it out on your own, you can kind of see already how it does it. Like, what role do you want to play? And it has rocket scientist task, build a spaceship that can travel fast and light. So if we wanted to like come up with something, like I could say like chief marketing officer, chief M-A-R-K-E-T marketing officer. I guess I can just do chief marketing officer. And task, how about creating, how about writing, cold DM scripts to local businesses. Okay, then we'll go generate prompt, and it will take a few minutes, or maybe not a few minutes, and then it will actually like give you this whole new prompt. Like, I won't read this all, but so you are a chief marketing officer of a successful marketing agency. Your goal is to help a local business owner craft an effective cold direct message, so DM script to reach out to potential customers in their area. Your task is to provide a detailed template of the cold DM script, include the following: introduction, value proposition, call to action, closing, all that. And like as you can see, I've literally typed in not even 2 sentences, and I've got like a full actual good prompt. And obviously you could be more specific in this, like what do you want it to do, the task, or even if you knew, like you could put in like your business, something like that. But the one thing to remember is when you go to ChatGPT, and actually we're going to just go copy this. When we go over to ChatGPT, we're actually going to go literally just paste that in right here, and we're just going to let it go. So what we could then do, obviously, is since we've given it this prompt, we can use that to apply it to, like, if we had a spreadsheet with like businesses details, like we well, obviously, like, this is first name last name, like I could go in the bottom here and like provide, say, hey, our business name is, my name is this, and it will fill in all these things, like all these like spaces for like first name, that kind of thing. And also what you could do is provide some more details, like what your offer is, those kind of things, and it will actually be able to just change throughout here, um, using this like prompt that you've gone and created through prompt hackers, and actually be able to use that to create like to improve this thing basically. And the cool thing that like that allows you to do is, since you've like seen what happens when you do one, and it's so easy to just test out multiple things, you can mess around with this, like change wording, try feeding it different questions. You could even create like add stuff to here, like please ask me questions instead of filling in blanks, that kind of thing. um but yeah, but it kind of creates like a good example prompt, good thing to use, like good practices. And you can really do it for anything that you're using in one of these like large language models. um it's just like a good way to like try and actually write prompts with good instruction to it. And obviously, like, this is maybe not the best cold DM structure ever, but you can give it more specifics to it to make like a cold DM script better. Like, it doesn't have to be marketing related. It can be really anything that you would be wanting to like have some role or some like job doing. You could kind of feed ChatGPT that, or feed whatever AI you were using that, and you feed them this prompt, and you kind of know, you get like a general gist of like where you're trying to go with it, what good stuff looks like, what a good prompt looks like. So just for reference, for what, if you're trying to like write your own, like create something different. And also you're able to actually just, I mean, before we would go ahead and actually post it, we could edit things in here, or go to a Google Drive, um, and edit it as well. Like if there's lines in here, information we wanted to include in the actual prompt, we can go ahead and do that as well. But yeah, that's kind of all I have for this. Please let me know if you have any comments, questions, concerns. Feel free to leave any of those below, or message us on our Instagram or any of our social media. And as always, have a great rest of your day. Thank you.